A drone has captured surreal footage of pink salt ponds near San Jose, California. The vibrant waters have become a notable local attraction, often described as a hidden gem and a must-see destination. The pink hue of these salt ponds is attributed to microorganisms that thrive in the saline environment. Alviso Marina County Park's unique landscape has drawn numerous visitors, including nature photographers and birdwatchers. Concerns have been expressed about increased foot traffic on the fragile ecosystem. The salt evaporation ponds are crucial for salt production and serve as a habitat for diverse waterfowl species. The influx could harm legally protected animals and threaten to degrade the park's unique habitats, wildlife advocates say.